How are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 2 Science Olympiad. And for class 2 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? Yes, we are going to read about animal life. So already we have discussed some questions of this chapter, and today we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. What is our first question? Which of the following age lives in den? Okay. So in option A, cat is there. Option B, bear. Option C, rabbit. Option D, cheetah. Okay. So what do you think? Among these, which lives in den? Yes, you know it, right? If you know the answer, please write in the comment box. Okay. Yes. So yes, of course, the correct answer is option D, cheetah, and cheetah lives in den. Okay. So about the next question, which of these animals is a farm animal? So which of the animal is a farm animal? Yes. Option A, fish. B, frog. C, tiger. D, cow. So what do you think? Which animal is a farm animal? Yes. Fish is a farm animal. No. Frog? No, of course not. Tiger? Not at all. Right? So which one is a farm animal? That is option D. Cow is a farm animal. Got it everyone? Yes? Okay, so let's move to the next question. The question is, which of the following parts of an animal is used to make shoes, belts, purses and jackets? Option A, horns. B, skin. C, feathers. D, hooves. So which of the following parts of animal is used to make shoes, belts, purse and jackets. Okay. So what do you think? Which part is used? Horns. Horns are used for making these things? No. Skins are used? Yes, skins are used. Feathers? No. Hooves? No. So which one the correct answer? The correct answer is option B, that is skin. Okay. So skin of the animal is used to make the shoes, belts, purse and jacket. Okay. So the next question is, which of these animal skin is used to make shoes, bags, belts and purses? So this is similar to the previous question, right? What is given in the question? Which of these animal skin is used to make shoes, bags, belts and purses? And what are the options given? Option A, fish. B, tortoise. C, frog. D, crocodile. Okay, so what do you think? Whose skin is used? If you know the answer, you can write in the chat box. Okay. So, is it fish? No. Is it tortoise? No. Frog? No. So, which one is the correct answer? That is option D, crocodile. So, crocodile skin is used to make these things. Got it? Okay. So, what is our next question? Which of the following pair is or are correct? Option A, silk, silkworm. B, wool, sheep. C, leather, crocodile. D, all of these. So, what is the answer? Yes, which of the following pair is correct? Can you say? Silk, it is obtained from silkworm. Yes, we know it. So, this one is correct. Wool is also obtained from the sheep, right? So, this one is also correct. Leather is obtained from crocodile. We just read it, right? So, this one is also correct. So, which will be the correct answer? That is option D, all of these. All the given options are correct. Okay? Yes. Now, what is the next question? Which of these eats the remains of dead animals? Which of these eats the remains of dead animals? So, in the options, option A, owl. B, vulture. C, lion. D, snake. So, what will be the answer? Yes. Can you say? It is the vulture, right? So vulture, it eats the remains of the dead animals. Owl, lion, snake, they do not eat the remains of dead animals. Got it? Yes. Next is, who am I? I stand on four legs. I stand on four legs. I have a long neck to reach the leaves of tall plants. I am the tallest animal on land. Okay. And what are the options given? A. Giraffe, B. Zebra, C. Elephant, D. Kangaroo. So I hope all of you know the answer, right? If yes, you can write in the comment box. So four legs, long neck, its leaf of the tall plant, tallest animal on the land. Yes? What will be the answer? Yes, of course, it is giraffe. Okay? So zebra, elephant, kangaroo, they do not do this. Right? Yes. Next one is crocodiles and lizards have four legs. They use them to dash on the ground. Option A crawl, B hop, C swim, D walk. So crocodiles and lizards they have four legs, okay, and they use them to dash on the ground. On the ground, you must have seen crocodiles and lizards, right? Yes. And they how they move on the ground? Do they hop? Do crocodiles and lizards hop? No. Do they swim in the land? Yes. On the ground, do they swim? Not of course. For that they need water, right? Do they walk like us? No. So what they do? They crawl on the ground, right? So the correct answer is option A, that is crawl. Okay, so the next question, which of the following animal is called the king of jungle? Okay, so you all must be knowing this answer, right? King of jungle, is it bear? No. Is it elephant? No. Is it tiger? Tiger or lion? You say which one? Yes, it is lion, right? Tiger is not the answer. So the correct answer is option D. Lion is the king of jungle. Okay. Next one. Which of the following animals does not eat the remains of dead animals? Option A hyena, B jackal, C vulture, D giraffe. So which of the following animal does not eat the remains of dead animals? So let us think which animals they eat the remains of the dead animals. Okay, hyena. Have you heard about hyena? Do they eat remains of dead animals? Yes, they do. What about jackal? They also do the same thing. And vulture? Yes, of course, they also do the same thing. But about the giraffe, we know that they eat the leaves of the plants, right? Yes. So the correct answer is option D, giraffe. They do not eat the remains of dead animals. Okay. Now the next question, which of the following animal gives us milk and meat? Which of the following animal gives us milk and meat? Yes, I hope everyone is knowing the answer, right? Yes, what may be the answer? Is it pig? No, not at all. Horse? No. Hen? No, hen does not give milk, right? No, sorry, it is not hen, cock, right? And goat, yes, goat gives us milk and meat. So the correct answer is option D, that is goat. Okay. Yes. Next question, which of the following animals lives in the same place as the animal given? Okay, which of the following animal live in the same place as the animal given? Option A squirrel, B cat, C mole, D tiger. Okay, so animal given, that is, what is the name of the animal? Yes, it is rabbit, right? Very sweet. Okay, so where does this rabbit live? Yes, yes, it lives in Bureau, right? So which of the following animals also live in Bureau? Do you have any idea? Here the correct answer is mole. So mole is an animal which lives in burrows like the rabbits do. Okay. So squirrel, cat, tiger, these are not the answer. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option C, that is mole. Okay. Identify the pair that shows the animal and its home correctly. So we have four options of animals and their home. So we have to find the correct option. Option A, earthworm, hole. B, grasshopper, beehive. C, lion, stable. D, rabbit, kennel. Okay. So what is the answer? Yes, earthworm lives in hole, right? They lives in hole. Yes. So correct answer is option A. Okay. Okay. Beehive, we know bees live in beehive, right? And horses, they live in stable. Kennel, dogs live in kennel, right? Yes. So correct answer is option A. So coming to the next question, who lives in the picture given? Who lives in the picture given? Option A, bird. B, goat. C, frog. D, fish. And what is the picture given? That is picture of a tree, right? Yes. So can you tell me which lives in the tree? Yes, you can write in the comment box. Birds live in the tree. Yes, they do. Goat, do goat live on the tree? No. Right? Yes. Frog? No. Fish? Of course not. They need water. Right? Yes. So the correct answer is option A, bird. Coming to the last question of today's class. The skin of which of the following animal is used to make wool? Skin of which of the following animals used to make wool? Skin of tiger is used to make wool. No, not at all. Lion, also no. Cheetah, no. Sheep, yes. We know sheep, they have means of they do have the means of furs. Okay. So what we do? We take them and we make wools. Yes. So from the skin of the wool, we can make the skin of the sheep. We just collect those things and we make the wool. Okay. So correct answer is option D. That is what is the name of the animal? Sheep. Right? Yes. So this much for today's class. Let's meet you in the next class. Okay. With some much more amazing question. Till then, read mindfully. Okay. Meet you soon. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.